Hope you enjoyed the sunshine as well. It's going away. Not only is the sun setting, but we are bringing those clouds in. But look at temperatures. They responded nicely today, well into the 40s area wide. And tonight, they're not going to fall back a whole lot. You can see we do pick up the wind a little bit overnight tonight, but we're talking temperatures that stay well above our average highs for this time of year. So we'll likely bottom out near 40 and stay there through the morning hours. The reason why we've got a decent push out ahead of the weather system that we've been highlighting over the last week. You can see some of the rain towards Chicago. This will take its time getting here. We're really not going to see any precip off of this until about midday tomorrow is when we're expecting it to start. But you can see there's a decent push. And much like if you pretend this is all bath water and you push your hand through it with that energy, you get these ripples on the sides of those little eddies. And that's literally what we have going on in the atmosphere. There's a big push of wind and so much energy coming south, and that's creating a low pressure that's like a top. It's just spinning up, and this thing is going to spin for several days to come. Cold front attached to that will eventually produce a line of showers that will kind of rotate its way in here tomorrow morning. We're not quite seeing that yet, but this thing is certainly doing its damage. We've got strong winds on the backside of this, 40, 50, 60 mile per hour winds in the plains. I mentioned yesterday, I would not be surprised if we went blizzard warning on some of these, and you can see, yeah, we've got that for Iowa and heavy snow for the Minnesota area down towards Missouri. For us, this isn't really going to be a big system for us. It's just going to be a pattern changer as we've been highlighting. So your National Design Mart hour-by-hour forecast is dry tonight. Temperatures, as I mentioned, staying in the 30s to near 40 degrees. It's tomorrow morning that we start to really pick up that wind. Clouds will thicken up. Here comes our rain-snow mix. And then eventually changing over to all snow later in the day. This will be a pretty quick hit tomorrow afternoon and evening. Could see a slushy coating with this as it moves on through. And then our hope is that it gets out of here by evening, because we should be clear as we get on into the evening hours. And I think we go dry Saturday morning. We're kind of in the drier part of that system. And then Saturday afternoon, we'll see some popcorn-like snow showers around there. Some of these could have some decent rates with it. But overall, we're not expecting a lot in accumulation from this system alone. So here's one model run on how much we're expecting. Yeah, a coating to maybe an inch wherever those heavier snow showers fall. But overall, it's just going to be that transition that we're watching as we get a lot cooler around here. Union Home Mortgage 7-day forecast. Temperatures will fall slowly tomorrow. We're back into the 30s for the weekend. If we did have an accumulating snow chance, it would be on Sunday. We have a pretty decent system coming through, maybe an inch or two out of that. And then more snow hits after that, Jay. We are not done. In fact, a couple bigger systems we're highlighting next Thursday and perhaps another one after that. So we're earning our paycheck again, I think, around here at 3 Weather.